In this video, you'll learn how to verify your Bitget account. Completing this process is essential for accessing the full range of features offered by the platform. The verification ensures that your account is secure and compliant with regulatory requirements. Begin by navigating to the Bitget website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Bitget URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the Bitget exchange, which features various trading options and user account settings. Next, locate the profile icon, typically positioned in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to access a drop-down menu. From here, select the settings option to proceed to your account settings page where you can manage your personal information. After accessing the settings, look for the identity verification section in the menu. Click on this link to enter the verification process. You may see a message indicating that individual verification is necessary, which confirms that you are on the right track. Once you are in the identity verification section, you will encounter various prompts. The system will guide you through the basic identity verification steps, which are required to unlock most of the platform's features. Pay attention to any messages that indicate what is needed for successful verification. Now, you will need to submit official identity documents along with a facial recognition verification. Click on the Verify Now button to initiate this process. This action will take you to a page where you can upload the necessary documents to complete your identity verification. When prompted, select the type of document you wish to upload. It is crucial to ensure that your documents are original size and unedited. The system will specify that only high-resolution color photos are acceptable, which is important for the verification to proceed smoothly. Next, you will need to provide your country or region of residence. Click on the corresponding field to choose your location from the drop-down menu. After selecting your residence, you will also need to specify the issuing country or region for your identity document. Following this, you should click on the Continue button to move forward in the verification process. At this point, the system may prompt you to upload your ID card. Ensure that the document is in an acceptable format such as JPEG, JPEG, or PNG, and does not exceed the maximum file size of 10 MB. After successfully uploading your ID, you will receive confirmation that your information will only be used for identity verification. This is a reassuring measure, ensuring your data is handled securely and privately. To continue, you may be asked to scan a QR code using your camera or web browser. This step will facilitate the verification on your mobile device. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure a successful scan. Finally, once you complete all steps, the system will confirm that you have successfully verified your account. This confirmation is crucial as it indicates that you can now access all the features available on the Bitget platform without limitations. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.